Hi viewers, imagine a world where your money doesn't just sit in an account, but actively works to grow your wealth. In this video, we'll review the trading platform WealthInvest24.com. At WealthInvest24, we provide you with the tools and support to set your money in motion, blending state-of-the-art automation with personalized expert advice tailored to your financial goals. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Whether you're a novice investor or a seasoned trader, WealthInvest24 is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Our platform offers a seamless and intuitive experience that makes it easy for you to dive into the world of trading. One of the key features of WealthInvest24 is our commitment to automation. Imagine having sophisticated algorithms working tirelessly on your behalf, executing your investment strategies with precision. With WealthInvest24, you can automate your investments, ensuring that your portfolio is managed efficiently even when you're not actively trading. This approach not only saves you time, but also optimizes your investment performance, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. But automation doesn't mean you're on your own. At WealthInvest24, we understand the value of human insight. Our team of seasoned financial advisors is always available to provide you with personalized advice and support. Whether you have questions about market trends, need help setting up your investment strategy, or want to explore new trading opportunities, our experts are here to guide you every step of the way. At WealthInvest24, we take pride in the recognition we've received for our commitment to excellence. Our platform has been awarded Best Trading Experience 2021 and Most Innovative Broker 2022, reflecting our dedication to delivering a superior trading experience. Our exceptional customer service has also been globally recognized, ensuring you always have the support you need. We understand that trading, especially in leveraged products like cryptocurrencies, involves risks. That's why at WealthInvest24, we prioritize transparency and education. Our platform provides comprehensive risk disclosures and a wealth of educational resources to help you make informed decisions. We encourage you to consider your financial situation and seek independent advice, if necessary, before engaging in trading activities. Whether you're new to investing or an experienced trader, WealthInvest24 is designed to meet your needs. Our advanced trading platforms offer real-time data, insightful analytics, and powerful tools to help you make informed decisions. From setting up automated investments to exploring new trading strategies, our platform provides everything you need to succeed in the financial markets. Joining WealthInvest24 means becoming part of a vibrant community of like-minded investors. Our platform is more than just a trading tool. It's a network that fosters knowledge sharing, innovation, and growth. We are constantly enhancing our services and introducing new features to stay ahead of industry trends and provide you with the best possible trading experience. Imagine being part of a community that shares your commitment to financial success. At WealthInvest24, you're not just a client, you're a valued member of a dynamic and supportive network. Our goal is to empower you with the tools, knowledge, and support you need to achieve your financial goals. From the moment you open your live account, you gain access to a wealth of resources designed to help you succeed. WealthInvest24.com is your trusted partner in the world of investments and trading. With our automated solutions, expert advice, and diverse trading options, we empower you to take control of your financial future. Open a live account today and start your journey towards financial freedom with WealthInvest24. Join now and build a brighter, more prosperous future together. Happy trading!